Hello students, good morning. In this video, we will know about the plaster of Paris. This is the last salt of this chapter. So let's start. Plaster of Paris. Their chemical formula is CaSO4 half H2O. Chemically it is called calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Word hemi means half, hydrate is related with water. From their name, it is clear that something is related with Paris. In plaster of Paris, actually it was firstly prepared in Montmartre town in Paris. It is prepared by heating of a white rock that is called gypsum. When the gypsum is heated, we get plaster of Paris. At first, plaster of Paris was used only in construction industries, but nowadays, a various use of plaster of Paris we have. That is for making toys, statues, making design on the roofs and walls, and plastering of fractured bone. Plaster of Paris is prepared when gypsum is heated carefully at 373 Kelvin temperature. When gypsum, whose formula is CaSO4 2H2O, this is gypsum when it heated at a particular temperature that is 373 Kelvin, we get CaSO4 half H2O. This is plaster of Paris. Commercially, it is also called POP. Along with the 3/2 water molecule. This water molecule is called water of crystallization also. Students, one thing is important here, that is, if we heat this gypsum more than 373 Kelvin, then we can't get plaster of Paris, because at higher temperature, gypsum loses all the water molecules and we get only anhydrous calcium sulfate, whose property is different from that of the plaster of Paris. It means it is clear that we get the plaster of Paris by heating gypsum at a particular temperature that is 373 Kelvin. Half water molecule which is present in the plaster of Paris, this cannot be exist. In actual, when we multiply this whole formula by 2, we get 2 CaSO4 into H2O. So, this is also the formula of plaster of Paris, that is 2 CaSO4 into H2O. What are the uses of plaster of Paris? Plaster of Paris is used for making the toys, potteries and statues. It is used for plastering the bones. It is used in setting of fractured bone. Plaster of Paris is also used for making the fireproofing materials. And this is also used for the covering and making the design on the walls and roof. This is about plaster of Paris. Now, in the next video, I will tell you about some salts which contain the water of crystallization. Thank you.